Welcome back to my next continent in my Rice Around the World series, Asia. We're starting in Afghanistan with Kabuli Pulao, one of the most beloved rice dishes in the region. One thing to know is that this dish has layers. So the first thing that I'm doing is I am sauteing carrots and raisins in olive oil. This dish will finish off the entire Kabuli Pulao. It will be layered on top. To start building the flavor, I start with 1 chopped red onions, sauteed in olive oil, After your onion, ginger, garlic is cooked down, add your meat. This week's protein is lamb. After a few minutes of the meat cooking, add your seasoning. This week's seasoning is three of them: cumin, cinnamon, and masala. That's it. Stir things around, make sure everything is coated, and then cover the pot and let it simmer on the low heat for about 15 minutes. To say before this series, I hardly ever cook lamb, but I find that I really like it. It's really, especially if it's nice and tender and very flavorful, if you season it properly, of course. Otherwise, for me, it tastes a little gamey. I don't like that. Once the meat is cooked, start scooping the meat out and set it to the side for in that same pot with the oil, add your washed rice. Make sure you get all the grains. Then stir it around, make sure it's coated. And this is where the magic happens. In the leftover oil, the rice and water is going to really give the rice a really deep flavor. Add about 1.5 cups of water. Once the rice is cooked, gently fluff the rice, add the meat, and then add the carrot and raisins. You get this perfect mix of savory, sweet, and aromatic in every bite. This is the perfect way to begin Asia in the Rice Around the World series. Afghanistan gives us a dish that feels rich, beautiful, and full of tradition. And this is only the beginning. Well, now that it's done, let's give it a taste. Delicious.